Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Steam must be online to update. We are going to enter network in the search box. Open, view network connections. Now right-click on your network adapter and select Properties. There, select the line Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. In this window, check the box, use the following DNS server addresses. You can use the public addresses. Click on OK and you can close the windows. Now open the command prompt as administrator. Click on Yes to access. You will run the command netch winsock reset, press enter. This will reset the winsock catalog. Restart your system to apply this process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you start Windows, open Steam so you can see that it updates and opens without problems. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.